Happy fall everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a clean and decorate with me for the fall. This is the first time I ever decorate my home for fall, so I'm very excited to share this video with you. All the pieces are new, and if you missed my previous video, it was a fall decor haul, so I recommend you watch that. I wanted my living room to be decorated with gold pieces, burnt orange, coppery colors, and I kept it all very simple and with a little touch of glam. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please continue to watch. So before we do any decorating, we are going to do some deep cleaning. I'm talking deep cleaning. We're gonna get our scrub on. So it took me about 5 hours to deep clean my living room, so I definitely need to energize with some coffee. This is pumpkin spice coffee from McDonald's. It's so good, and actually that was the first time I ever had pumpkin spice coffee. I know it's a lot of firsts for me, okay guys? I'm very excited. So I'm starting off by removing all the covers from the cushions on my couch so I can wash them, and I also washed my curtains, but I didn't share that in the video. I washed it the night before just because I have bay windows and it's such a mission to take off the curtains and put them back on, so babe helped me do that. We did that the night before. So now I'm just gonna throw the cushion covers to wash, and I put fabric softener in there so it smells so good. Once you wash your linens, it's gonna make your house feel so much clean, fresh, and smell so good. So now I am using my cordless vacuum to vacuum all the surfaces of my couch. It collected so much dust, I was like so surprised, but I'm very glad that they're super clean now. This is the area of my living room that gets cluttered the most. It's like our little drop-off station. We all leave everything there, and if it's not attended to on a daily basis, then it can accumulate very quickly. So I need to clear this space off every single day and wipe it down every day. I try to, sometimes I don't, but I try. So now I'm going to remove all the pictures from my shelves, and I'm actually going to be switching out the photos. So I chose some of my favorite fall photos from the past fall season, from Halloween, from the pumpkin farm, and I just sent my photos to CVS and had them printed out. So I'm going to wipe down the shelves, also wipe down my picture frames, and switch out my photos later on. I love these quick erase sponges from the Dollar Tree. I feel like they work just as good as the Mr. Clean sponges, and I love them for the white areas of my living room, especially this area here, because this is where we store my daughter's toys, and it gets dirty very easily with her little toddler fingers. So I have to use like hardly any muscle to get all the dirt off with this sponge. So I have 2 pocket doors in my living room, and they get very dusty and dirty quickly as well because the pocket doors collect dust because they go in between the walls. So right here I'm just wiping them with a dusting sheet, and then I'm going to go in with that same sponge and have a water with Lysol in it. So I'm just wiping it down, and it's coming off so easily, like I'm not even trying. So I'm done with that door. Now I'm gonna move on to my other door, and this is the door to my son's bedroom. So it's the dirtiest one, especially because my daughter is always trying to get into my son's room, so that little section right there gets very dirty. But I'm pretty much done cleaning my living room. Now I just have to clean my floor. So I'm gonna start by vacuuming. I'm just gonna vacuum with my little cordless vacuum here that I bought on Amazon. I'll have it linked down below because I don't remember the name of it. Let me tell you guys don't even understand how much I freaking love this vacuum. It has made my life so much easier. It has made my floors so much cleaner. I am so much happier because it is so hard to keep dark wood floors clean, especially with a toddler. So I definitely recommend a cordless handheld vacuum if you don't have one. So now I'm gonna put on these little mop shoe thingies that I also got from Amazon, and I'm gonna start cleaning my floors. I'm just gonna use a Swiffer. I use the liquid that's for hardwood floors, and the sheets that are Mr. Clean, like they have little scrubbing things at the bottom. So now my floors are nice and clean and my cushion covers are dry and smelling good. So I'm gonna apply these to all of my pillows and then give them a good fluff and smack so that they're nicely shaped, and then we can finally move on to decorating. Like I mentioned before, my previous video was a fall decor haul, so I share everything that I bought and where I bought it. So if you missed that, go ahead and watch that video. Now I'm going to decorate this little table that I have behind my couch. So this little table was an old TV stand that we had, and it just ended up back there because we have extra space back there because of our bay windows. So it just lives back there, and so I decided to decorate it. So I have those little candlestick holders from the Dollar Tree, and I use those to prop my pumpkins up because I thought it looked much better this way than for them to just be laying flat on the table. And then these other little like glass pumpkins, I'm just gonna be placing them in little areas so that it just looks fuller, and I really like how it looked with those orange lights. It looks really pretty at night, and I love how it turned out. So I was unsure of how to place my throw blankets, but I kind of wanted to go for symmetry, so I just went for like a waterfall throw blanket look. So let me know if you guys think that's cute. I think my daughter thought it was cute because look at her, straight up chilling, eating her marshmallow, living her best life. So yeah, I was just moving the little pillows around, seeing what I liked, and here is some of my fall pictures that I switched out. Pictures of my daughter at the pumpkin farm, my son with a fall background, and there's many more. I'm also going to be plugging in my Bath & Body Works wallflowers. I have a little pumpkin and some maple leaves, and I used the scent The Perfect Autumn, and I love this scent so much. I've actually gotten a lot of compliments of the house smelling good, and no one has complained that it's too strong, so I highly recommend that scent. These little leaf stem bunches are from Walmart, and I just kind of laid them out so that it can look like a garland, and then I hid the stem with these little pictures of my daughter at the pumpkin farm, added some LED string lights, and I thought it was adorable. So then I just added little pumpkins on the side that are from the Dollar Tree, or are they from Walmart? Oh geez, I don't remember where I got them from anymore. But yeah, so I think that turned out cute. It's just under my TV on a little floating shelf that we have, so it looks really cute at night when it's lit up. So later that night, I decided I was gonna make my own DIY wreath, and I shared it on my Insta story. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to follow me. It's at Gabdel2. So I wanted to film a video of me making my wreath, but I was pretty sure I was making it all wrong, so I didn't want to film it. Either way, I enjoyed the outcome of my wreath. I think it's beautiful, it's lit up, and I'm very proud of myself for making my own wreath because I didn't find anything that I really liked in store, and I feel like this just goes with what I wanted, goes with my theme, and I am in love. So this is my living room, completely clean and decorated. I love it because it's still very simple, very minimal, with subtle touches of fall, and at night it's like so calming and glowy and cozy. So yeah, I love how I decorated my living room. I think it's cute. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up, you guys. It really helps out my channel, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye.